I've had a few teachers lately ask me how to back up your machine or the files that are on your machine to the network drive or to the cloud. So here's how you do it. This little folder down here on your taskbar is called File Explorer. If you don't see that, you can go to your Start button and look for File Explorer. I'm on Windows 10 and you may still be on Windows 7, which is the reason you may need the upgrade, so it may look different for you. But still, you should see a little folder probably on your taskbar. Once you get to this, you can scroll through this list over here and you'll find different things. For example, here's my T drive. This is your network folder that's on a server downtown. Anything that you saved here, you can get to from any computer inside the school district. So that's a good place to save things. I also have Google Drive file stream here, which has My Drive and Team Drives. If you don't see both My Drive and Team Drives, then you have an old version of Google Drive which is not syncing, and so that's a separate problem you need to put in a ticket for so we can figure that out and get that all synced up. Because that's actually, if it's the old version, it's saving to your hard drive and not syncing to your Google Drive. You could also just go to your Google Drive through Chrome, open up your drive and drag things over and drop them there. So let's say that I have all of these files on my desktop. I can highlight, drag over them, and I can pull them all over here and just click, hold, drag, and drop them right there. And it will automatically make a copy. If I right click, hold, and drag, then it gives me an error or a menu that lets me choose if I want to move or copy or whatnot. Then I can go into My Drive and make sure that the folders are where I had them. Any folder or any file that is saved on your desktop needs to be backed up to the cloud or to the Google Drive cloud or to your network folder. Also, anything that it might be under My Documents, if you have any files here, those would be lost. You would need to back those up as well. Or things in music, any pictures you have saved on your hard drive of your computer need to be moved. If you want to move them over to your Google Drive and you don't have the Drive file stream, you can just go to your Google Drive, open a new folder, name it desktop or whatever you want to name it. I'm going to name this temporary so that I can get rid of it. And then you make this window a little bit smaller, and then I could just click and drag these and make a copy of them there. Anything you drop in there, it's going to automatically upload and it makes the copies for you. So that is a quick and easy way on how to move things over to either your Google Drive or to your T drive to save them and back them up for your computer to be upgraded. Let me know if you have any questions.